Okay. So in last lecture, we have seen OOPS concept. First one we have seen object means what. Then after we have seen class. Okay. Into that we have seen method. So today, right, we are going to start inheritance. Inheritance. What is meant by inheritance? So there are different types of inheritance, single inheritance, that multi-level inheritance. Before this, multiple inheritance was not possible in Java. Was not possible. But right from the recent versions, 8.5 something, it has been possible. So the work of multiple inheritance was been possible with the help of interface. Okay. Then hybrid inheritance. So these are the different types of inheritance we are going to see, and not this making it star. Okay. Hybrid, multi-level, single. Okay. These are the different inheritance we are going to see. Okay. So what does mean by inheritance? Simple. Inheritance means what? Okay. So we have seen on the, I think the 2 days before, what does mean by inheritance. So who can tell me?
The child class can acquire the properties of parent class.
Child class acquires the property of parent class. Again, anything else? Hey, if you guys are not speaking, then how it is possible? She has told correct answer, but what about other? What about other? Again, any inputs I want from you guys also, right?
When one object acquires all the property and behavior of parent object.
Okay, parent of behavior of parent object, right? No problem. Again, anything? Okay, so let it be. We will start with first. What is the prerequisites of inheritance? What we require actually, right? This is an important point, right? So there are two things that are required for inheritance. Two classes are required. First is parent class. Second one is child class. With the help of single class, we cannot perform inheritance. Okay. So someone can ask you the question for inheritance, what has been required or what is the prerequisite? Let tell them a simple answer. It's depend upon type of inheritance. Okay, but at least for an inheritance, we require two classes. First one is child class, and second one is parent class. Got it? Clear till up to here? So
Yes.
what is inheritance? Again, I am repeating to see. It is an mechanism, okay, in which one class acquires property of another class. Okay. It is a mechanism in which one class acquires the property of another class. Property and behavior also you can say that. And behavior. Clear up to this? So next to that is what? So there is an relationship that has been followed in inheritance. Okay. There is an relationship that has been followed. Okay. Before that, what is an idea behind inheritance? Why it has been implemented and using this, what benefits we have been getting? Okay. So the first benefit is that we can reuse. What we can do? We can reuse. Okay, what we can reuse? We can reuse methods, fields of parent class. See, always of which class we have been reusing? We have been reusing each and everything. Means let's say method, let's say fields. Fields are nothing but members. Okay, of parent class only. Of parent class. Or we can say that parent class is also having a name as super class. Okay, and in technical language, they're calling it as a base class. They're calling it as a base class, right? Clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
So apart from this, you can reuse also, and you can add methods to the existing class. Okay. Then, moreover, important point is that it representing representing is a relationship, is a relationship. Okay, it is representing is a relationship. Clear up to this? Hmm? The concept behind inheritance is nothing but reusability. The concept behind inheritance is what? Reusability. Main point. Okay. Then question comes. What to reuse? Nothing but to reuse methods. Okay. Fields. Okay. So now what is the syntax of inheritance now? This is an important. Okay. So what is the syntax? Okay. Syntax for inheritance is common that let's say class, here you can say subclass name, or you can say it as an child class. Extends, you can say super class, or you can say in bracket parent class. This is very important point. Okay, then and this is what simple here it would be your methods, and here it would be clear now. So everything clear? There is no question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the use of extend class? Extend keyword, extends. This is very important. They will ask you a question. What is the use of extends? So the extends indicates that you're making new class that derives from existing class. Extends काय सांगतो? Extends important. Extends indicates it's that you are making a new class that derives from an existing एक्सटेंड काय इंडिकेट करतं की तुम्ही नवीन क्लास बनवताय जो की डिराईव्ह झालाय जुन्या क्लासमधून, राईट. इट इज नथिंग बट दॅट यू आर मेकिंग a new class that derives from an existing class. Clear? Now, what is the meaning of extend? The meaning of extend is nothing but to increase the functionality.
To separate the function.
Yes. Okay. Clear up to here? Now. It is following, I think so, is a relationship. I already told you. Okay. So what does mean by is a relationship? Now I'll clear this point. Is a relationship means what? Now let's say employee. Let's take an example. Employee. Okay. So we have many employees in MNCs, right? We have many employees all over there. Let's say employee is a teacher, might be also a teacher. Okay, an employee might be a programmer, employee might be a tester, right? Did you got it?
Yes.
Clear up to you? Employee might be a teacher, he might be a programmer, he might be a tester. Okay, he might be an anything, waiter. Okay, so teacher is a employee or employee is a teacher. So which relationship they are following is a relationship. Clear up to you? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we would see, let's say, simple first example, and after that we'll move towards single inheritance. Now, here, this is our project that is known as core Java, coming to SRC as per on regular basis. What we have been doing, we are making an package now. Let's say, so here into this, I will make of an inheritance. Inheritance. Okay. So let's say this is what I finished it. Okay. Now in inheritance, what I will try to do, I will try to do one code. Now, let's say what is our prerequisite? What is our
Parent class and child class.
parent class and child class? Exactly. So first of all, what I will do, I will take a simple class of an employer. Okay. Would not take public static void main and all that. Finish it off. So here, this is my class. Okay. This is my class. Clear? Yes or no? No.
Yes.
Here what I'm doing, just simply taking out equals to, sorry, salary. I made a mistake. Here it should be in small letter. Float F should be in small. Salary equals to, let's say I'm having a salary of 4. Okay. Now, after that, this is one class, right? So we'll take again one another class. So we can do it over here in this same code only. Okay, but for your understanding, let's try something different. We'll take new class. This is a standard method of what we have been using. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . let's say tester. Okay, let's say tester is another class. I will finish. Okay. Now, so here into this first class, what we have been done? An employee. Simple, nothing. Salary we have been added, just right. And in tester, now let's say tester is what? This is your parent class. Employee is what? This is an. This is your parent
Child
class,
class.
right? Everybody. And tester is what? Tester is
Child class.
right. Hmm? This is your child class. So, what was the syntax of inheritance now? Subclass extends superclass. So, what would it take? Class tester extends. Which class it is extending?
Employee. Employee.
Okay, so the one thing should be kept clear. While you are taking the class previous one, there should not be any mistake that has been done regarding the spelling from your side, else it will show you an error. Okay. This child class extends parent class. All right. Now here into this class. Okay, into this class now. I will add a bonus to that. Salary. Let's see where I'm adding 2000 bonus. Okay. Now here. Into this we'll add our public sorry. Public static void main. Public static void main. Right? Bracket string args. So here yes stands for capital letter string args. Okay. This is your main class we are calling in child class only. Okay. Now, yeah. Now, what is important now? We have to create an object. So, what is an hardcore rule while performing the inheritance? Listen this properly. When you are creating the object, right? When you are creating the object should always be created by the recent class. Okay. So, what is our recent class?
Tester.
Tester. So, of which class we need to create an object now?
For tester.
Okay. So, see, simple. Tester T, then T1 is equal to new tester, open close. Okay. We have created object now. Simple. Now, what is the definition of inheritance? Reusability. So what to reuse? Fields and data members. Okay. What is the definition of inheritance? When one class acquires the property and behavior of parent class, that is called as what? Inheritance.
Inheritance.
Right? Now, any assault, what I'm trying to do? Tester. Just a minute. I'm typing over here. Tester. Salary. Salary is. Tester. Salary is. Right. And thereafter, let's say, what is an object we have created? T1 dot.
Salary.
Okay. So T1 dot.
Salary.
Exactly. Here we are making T1 dot. Okay. After that, here. Bonus. Bonus of tester. Bonus of tester is. Okay. So thereafter, plus. Now what would come here?
T1 dot bonus.
Exactly. T1 dot.
Bonus.
So see, here is there any type of salary into this tester class? That is, I mean to say, into a child class. Is there anything?
No.
No, sir.
But we are calling what? Salary. So salary is a property of which class now?
Parents class.
Parent class.
Right? So now we are executing the code. Got it? Right?
Yes.
So calling this class, we acquired the property of parent class. So what was that? Salary. Simply we have reused that. Nothing else. Right. So what is the definition of inheritance? In inheritance, child class acquires the property of parent class. Okay, that is called a single inheritance. Okay, so this can be also an example of single inheritance. Okay, this, so you got this code. I think so everyone has done it or not yet.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
सर इथं एम्प्लॉई मध्ये जे सॅलरी आपण व्हेरिएबल केलाय तो लोकल व्हेरिएबल आहे आणि इथं टेस्टर मधला जो बोनस आहे तो इन्स्टन्स व्हेरिएबल आहे का?
कुठला?
टेस्टर क्लास मधला.
हे बघा, लोकल व्हेरिएबल ह्याला कसं म्हणू शकता? लोकल व्हेरिएबल कधी येतो?
Void main method.
मेथडच्या मध्ये असेल.
मेथड आहे का इथे?
नाही.
नाही.
मग हा झाला का लोकल? लोकल म्हणजे काय? लिमिटेड अप टू दॅट क्लास. सॉरी, लिमिटेड अप टू दॅट मेथड ओनली, नॉट आउटसाइड द मेथड. आता सॅलरी कुठे यूज केलाय आपण? ओके,
मेन मेथड मध्ये.
इकडे. क्लिअर? मग त्याला म्हणता येईल का लोकल?
नाही नाही,
तो पण
तो पण
इन्स्टन्स व्हेरिएबल
इन्स्टन्सच
झाला ना, हा
मध्ये.
पण इन्स्टन्स व्हेरिएबल झाला. राईट?
हो
दोन्ही पण काय झाले
सर.
तुमचे? इन्स्टन्स व्हेरिएबल झाले. राईट?
हो सर.
क्लिअर?
हो क्लिअर. थँक्यू.
तो झाला हा कोड. एव्हरीबडी हॅज कम्प्लिटेड दिस कोड और नॉट?
झालं सर.
Okay, please show me. I'm stopping my screen. Now, please, एक मिनिट, माझ्याकडून राहिले एक मिनिट. Just now you can share your screen. Correct? उर्मिला. Okay. आणखीन कोणाकोणाचं झालंय? Everyone, I think so, have completed this code. Is there anyone from you guys who has not completed?
झालेलं आहे सर.
झालं ना सगळ्यांचं? राईट. स्टॉप स्क्रीन शेअरिंग उर्मिला. मेघा, had you completed? मेघा,
सर रन करत होते सर.
काय प्रॉब्लेम येतोय का तुला?
एरर येत होता.
शो कर, शेअर युअर स्क्रीन. सोनाली,
येस सर.
रन.
सर माझ्याकडे सध्या पीसी नाही आहे, पण मी करेल.
ओके. आता एम्प्लॉयरचं स्पेलिंग चेक कर. कॉपी कर.
बरोबर आहे सर.
Copy the spelling. No, something went wrong. Copy this. Paste over there.
ओके.
Now try to execute this. Got it?
ओके.
Stop your screen sharing. Chalo, we'll see the next point. Single inheritance now. So what does mean by single inheritance? Okay. So simple single inheritance means what? When one class inherits another class, that is known as single inheritance. When one class,
सर स्क्रीन नाही दिसत.
sorry, just a second. When one class inherits another class is known as single inheritance. When one class inherits the another class is known as single inheritance. Inherits means what? Acquires. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Now we'll see the example of this. So you know already the syntax of this inheritance: class, subclass, extends, superclass. So now here, let's say there are two classes. Let's say class A and class B. These are the two classes. Okay. So A will be what? A will be
Parent.
Parent.
A will be parent. And B will be,
Child.
so what child will do? Child will acquires
Parent class.
the property of parent, right? Okay. So now we'll directly go towards and program, and let's see here now in inheritance. We'll take a new code. Okay. Class. Let's say we'll take vehicle. We'll take vehicle as an class. Okay. So after that, finish. All right. Vehicle class I have taken. Right. So I will show you both the methods, how to do it in one class. Okay. And how to do it in the multiple class. Now this example we'll see in simple multiple class only. So I'm using first class as a vehicle class. So in vehicle class, what I'm using now void run. So what is this now?
Method.
Exactly. So this is a method. Okay. So what is here? What is the property of vehicle? It's running. Right? Yes or no? So this is one class. Now I'm creating another class.
सर क्लासमध्ये जे मेथड घेतोय म्हणजे त्याची ती प्रॉपर्टी झाली का? मेथड म्हणजे एक प्रॉपर्टी झाली का?
हा.
जर दुसरी प्रॉपर्टी तर आणखी एक मेथड तयार करायची.
Dusri, you can take another method also. You can take
Okay,
2-3
sir.
methods, no problem. In
Okay.
yesterday program, you can see that we have taken methods. Think so. I will show you just a minute before going towards that code. So you can see oops concept yesterday's code student. Okay. Or student where we have been taken. See, this was our code, right? So in and one program, how many methods we have taken? Insert, record, and display
Two
information,
methods.
right?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Now moving towards our class vehicle. After that, I'm creating again one program one class that is known as, so vehicle will be your parent class. So you all are using Scooty, right? So Scooty, we have taken in another class known as Scooty, right? So I'm finishing off. So in Scooty also, we'll take, okay, let's say void let's say we will take run over here also. Here also we have taken run. Here also we have taken run. So SYS. So for understanding, stop. Taken another method. Stop. Here what I'm typing. The P has stopped due to traffic. Clear? Clear up to here? We have taken two classes now, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we'll take again one class. Okay. So we'll give this name as an single inheritance. Okay, what we are giving a name, single inheritance, and here we are calling public static void main in this class. Simply, what I will do, okay, here I will create. Now I want to, for accessing that, what I needs to create now?
Object.
Object. Object of which class?
Object of this single inheritance class.
So object of single inheritance class.
Recent sir,
Scooty.
recent class चा घ्यायचा ना.
So
Child class.
which is our recent class?
Child class.
Child
Single
class. Exactly. So recent child class. This was Scooty we are taking.
सर आपण मग सिंगल इनहेरिटन्स जो क्लास घेतलाय तो
तो main class झाला ना तुमचा, that is your
कोणता
main
क्लास आहे?
class. So when you have been calling the object, you are calling with the recent child class only. So this is your main class. Don't get confused. Okay.
ओके.
So that was just, I got it. Your confusion point was we have taken the first code in that way, right? That was a simple inheritance, and this is a single inheritance, right?
We are taking the vehicle also, na sir? Vehicle class.
No, not required, because we are creating object of only child class. With the help of that object, we are accessing the data members of vehicle class. So that is called as what? Inheritance, right? No need to create an object of vehicle class. Okay. Yes, one. You can see here. New. S1. Now, S1 dot, what was there in vehicle? Which method? Run method
Run.
was been there,
Run.
right?
सर मग आपण इथं एक्सटेंड
तर
केलं
नाही होणार. एक्सटेंड व्हायची सर.
What?
एक्सटेंड केलं नाही
एक्सटेंड
सर क्लास.
I made a mistake, sorry. So in Scooty, you have to do it. Scooty extends vehicle, right? This was a mistake and not an extends, right? So now it will do it. Now it will be cleared. Scooty will extend vehicle. I'm saving this and now going towards here. See directly that error has been gone. AS1 dot. So what is there in Scooty now? Which method has been there?
Stop method.
Stop.
Exactly. So coming back over here. Now when I'm executing this, what output I'm getting? Running and what? Scooty has stopped due to traffic. But see, vehicle's output was running, right? This is your parent class. Parent class. And this is a method of parent class. And this is an output of that. Okay. After vehicle, next one was Scooty, right? So this is what? This is your child class.
Child class.
Okay. And this is a method of
चाइल्ड क्लास.
okay. Right? Clear? Up to here.
Yes.
Now this is your main class. Okay. Main class. And over here, you are creating an object of child class. Right? So we are calling this method calling method from parent class. Okay. Now this calling method of which class? Child class. Clear? Is anyone having doubt after this? Did everyone understood what is parent class, what is child class, what is single inheritance, and what is meant by inheritance? How to access the data member of parent class? Yes or no? Hello,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
So I'm stopping the recording now.